Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video we're going to be looking at how to allow sites to use V8 Optimizer on OperaGX. The first thing you need to do is open up your settings. Now I simply do that by clicking on Alternate and P, which is the keyboard shortcut to get into your settings. And the next thing you do is scroll down until you get to Security. Then you tap on Security. And then you scroll down until you see Manage V8 Security. This is it. Here you can turn on additional protection in Opera JavaScript and WebAssembly NG, that is the V8. So you tap on it. And the next thing, you can see V8 Optimizer here. Now note that V8 is Opera's JavaScript and WebAssembly engine that is used to improve site performance. Now we have default behavior, which is where you see the option for sites can use the V8 Optimizer. So you can turn it on. And once you've done this, it means Opera will run faster and features that use JavaScript will work as designed. This is how to allow sites to use V8 Optimizer on OperaGX. It is as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.